Hi, it's Louise, Spiral Bright Insight, and although I would normally focus on astrology and tarot and other more esoteric subjects, I wanted to talk to you today about one of the fallouts from COVID, which is losing your smell and taste, more the smell really, because it's nearly the end of November 2021 as I'm recording this, and I am just recovering or coming out the other side from having had COVID, which for me was a period of illness. I would describe it or compare it to flu, where I had very low energy. I had aches and pains in my body, which sort of moved around. I had a blocked nose. I had a cough, which never really got established, thankfully. So I never experienced shortness of breath, but I know that is very common. And yeah, headaches. Bad headaches, but I do suffer with headaches anyway. But so I got my positive result on the Monday, and by having had sort of flu-y symptoms all weekend, but by lunchtime on Monday I suddenly realised I couldn't smell anything, which for me it was terrifying, because I've got a really strong sense of smell, and suddenly for it to just not be there anymore, yeah, I'm not gonna lie, it's scary. But I went online, did quite a lot of research, freaked myself out, because a lot of people say that it can take weeks, months, even up to a year for it to come back. And I just thought, I can't do that. But I read quite a lot of information about using essential oils to help stimulate the smell and encourage it to come back. So as I've got lots of essential oils in my toolkit, I thought, okay, I'm going to give that a go. So what it involved doing is taking some of the stronger essential oils like lavender, lemon, eucalyptus. They also recommend Vetiver, which I don't actually have, but I was using lavender and eucalyptus as the main ones, and just sniffing them. So I've got a bottle here, literally is just and doing that consistently a number of times a day, and I would say probably 3 or 4 times a day, and I was switching up the bottles to change the scents. And when I started, I couldn't smell a thing. It was horrible. But I would say by sort of day 2, day 3, I was starting to just smell the very top note. So faint. And I know these oils are really strong because I use them for a lot of things. So it was there, but it was so faint. But I would say I'm now finished my self-isolation. It's, I think I'm on day 12, day 13, from when I first had symptoms. And my smell is, I would say, back at about 50% of what it should be. But that's good. I'm happy with that. I could smell the baked potatoes in the oven yesterday. I'm using Albus oil now as well, because obviously that's really strong, and I'm sniffing that on a regular basis, and it is returning. So I just wanted to come on and share that, because I'm not a medical professional. I'm not giving medical advice, but it is something that I researched, and I thought I'm going to give that a go, and who knows, whether it would have come back on its own accord this quickly or not, but it has really helped. So yeah, I just hope that if you are feeling a little bit panicked, or because it is scary, because it's basically your senses are critical, and you can feel like you losing control, which is how I felt. It created a huge amount of anxiety. excuse me. But I'm pleased to say, yeah, we're on the mend. So thank you for listening, and yeah, I wish you luck.